Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk. I'm Tyler here at Brasso Nissan. Today we're going to talk real quick about road trip preparation. First things first, summertime's here. Everyone wants to pack up the family, the pets, or even just themselves. You want to head out, get away for a bit, have some fun, but you want to make sure that your vehicle is going to get you there safely and in one piece. You know, a couple things to think about is tires, what are they looking like, make sure your pressures are good. Brakes, am I going to make it there and back, especially if I'm going through the mountains, you never know. Fluid levels and conditions, brake fluid, coolant, power steering, all your fluids, got to make sure they're all topped up, you're looking good to go. AC, make sure your AC is working because the last thing you want is no AC on a hot day stuck in traffic. And yeah, you just want to make sure your vehicle's looking good, kept top shape so that you can go and enjoy your time. So if you have any concerns, the best way to get this all done is come see us. One of our licensed techs here will gladly take a look at your vehicle and let you know if there's any issues present, but then just do something quickly, get you back on the road so you can enjoy your vacation and have a great summer. Thank you for listening to this Tech Talk and have a good one.